Hello friends, welcome to my third vlog and third day in Johannesburg. Today I will be visiting Woodmead Retail Park and the Silverstar Casino, so please stay tuned with me in this video. Now I am going towards Woodmead Retail Park, situated just off the Woodmead Drive at the convergence of M1 and N1 highways. Woodmead Retail Park opened for trading in April 2008. It has the more than 75 stores. Woodmead Retail Park not only offer an upmarket tenant mix but also an uncomplicated shopping experience.
Hello guys, so we are today at the Woodmead Value Mart. Actually this place is all about the branded retail shop of everything, including shoes, clothing and the electric shops. So we will be having a look over here today and we'll see what happens.
Woodmead Value Mart has the best choice of stores for you, with easy access, free parking, helpful and the personal service, variety and value for money. And friends, this is not a sponsored video. This is all about my travel experience in South Africa as an Indian. And this is a Nike factory store at Woodmead, and the day when I was shooting this video there was a huge sale was going on, and this is the queue which you can see just to enter in the shop. And this is my brother-in-law. He is also waiting to go inside and get some shoes for him.
So Lawrence, how this place has a price difference or the product difference, or why people come over here?
So open here on the city. This is a factory shop, so you get discount prices versus what you buy like in your big stores.
Okay.
But you see when you're inside.
Okay, yeah. So there is no price difference over here.
No, cheaper.
Cheaper here,
Yeah.
cheaper than the normal store.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks.
It's a factory outfit.
Thanks, yeah. So this is the factory outlet of the Nike brand. As you can see, the price difference over here than the normal outlet of Nike. And it was a huge queue just to enter over here. So there must be a price difference over here.
So the shopping is done, and now we are going to try some luck in casino. So now we are going towards Silverstar Casino.
So we are right now at the Silverstar Casino. It's very near to Johannesburg. You can say even it's in the part of the Johannesburg, and it's a very big casino. And there are many bistros, cafes, bar, restaurants over here. I'll be giving you some look of all these things. And it's a very nice place. It's very quiet right now just because of the COVID situation. So let's have a look about this casino. Thanks.
Looking for a fun-filled day or night on the town while visiting the Western? Then be sure to stop by the ever-popular Silverstar Casino, offering everything from delicious restaurant and the family entertainment. Silverstar Casino is just a place to visit for an exciting day or night out on the town. The young visitors will have a blast with a wide selection of family-friendly entertainment. Any kind of photography and the videography are not allowed inside casino, so I decided to make vlog outside casino. But my brother-in-law was inside casino, so let me ask him how was his luck today.
So how was your luck today?
My luck was, as I say, palm's luck. I didn't have much luck there, but it was nice. I enjoyed it.
Okay. What about you?
No, it was. I can't say that today, but any other day that we've been gone to
It
the
was
casino, it was
bad.
bad.
Oh,
It was
okay.
fun. Cheer fun, mate.
Fun! Are you crazy? Losing money is not fun.